Welcome back to the channel. I have this plum tree. This is a Toka Bubblegum plum that just showed up at the door, and I got a wicked storm coming this way. And I'm trying to get it done ahead of time. Notice that it's wrapped properly. It's got a nice saran wrap around it to hold the moisture in. The Toka Plum is a zone 3 to 8 plum tree, and it's known as a really good pollinator tree for other plums. I just planted a superior plum about a week ago, and this was delayed getting to me. I don't like the fact that I see that it had broke bud a little bit, but I really need to get it in the ground. So stay tuned. Hopefully around the storm we can get it done. If you're interested, stay tuned. We'll do that right now. So the directions that came with the tree said to leave the straw around it so there is some moisture. I can feel it, but I need to cut this plastic off. So I'm going to do that, and then we're going to go to the planting hole in my new orchard. So here is the diameter of the root ball. It's pretty narrow, so it said to leave the straw intact, so that's what we're going to do. This is my hole, and I'm going to get my soil ready to backfill. All right, let's do this thing. I got thunder and lightning behind me, so I got to move quickly. So you can see that this hole is more than twice the diameter, which is good. A little piece of plastic there. And it says to go up to this is where it was planted. So I'm just going to backfill it to there. I think it's going to be deep enough, because what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to mound some mulch over top of it in the end. This is very loose. This is 100% composted manure. This is what I usually plant everything in. So I'm gonna get this potted up. So here we go. All right, now I'm going to give it a drink of water. You never know when you're getting rain how much you're really going to get, and I want to make sure that I get this hydrated. I'm going to water, and I'm going to let that water soak in. So I've got it planted, I've got it watered. The final thing I need to do is I need to spray this delicious morsel to keep the deer away with some deer out. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, now is a great time to do that. So what I'm spraying on my tree is deer out. And I'll spray it again after it rains. I just wanted to make sure I got it on here. So this deer repellent is called Deer Out. I will link it in the description below. I got lightning going, so I gotta go inside. Give us a thumbs up if this was helpful, or at least entertaining. Thanks for stopping by. Have a great day. If you like how-to videos, check this playlist next. Looks like I finished just in time. The rain is now here.